Hey guys, I'm Wendy Vecchi and I'm at the Ranger booth at Creativation 2020 and I want to show you my newest baby. For everyone who loves our original 12-inch station, look at this cutie, 7-inch station. Absolutely the cutest little thing you ever saw. So it's basically the same as this but a mini form. So 7 inches square, it has the same nice grid on here. You'll see that it comes with the same 4 perfect magnets, so these are really nice. They won't bend, they won't break, they won't pinch your fingers. So they are absolutely perfect and they're really very strong. So really happy with this. We also did some accessories for this. So we did a 7-inch clear magnetic ruler, which is really nice because it's thicker than the ruler that comes with it. So I like that it's clear. It's a centering ruler for those who like the centering. It has inches and metric on it, so really good worldwide. And when you hear it snap on here, you'll just see the magnets are really very strong. So this has been really nice. So obviously you can use it as a magnet to help hold things in place. I like that it's thicker, so if I'm lining die cuts or some larger embellishments, you can butt them up against the thicker edge, and it's a lot easier to do it that way. Sometimes I'll use a pen or a marker to outline or trace across my border, and it's been really nice to have a thicker edge to work against. The other thing is, if you get archival ink on here, which I have, then it kind of looks yucky. That the archival ink will clean off of here, so it looks really nice all the time. Now, what else? So we also did a 12-inch one for the original station, so same exact thing, 4 really strong magnets. This too is a centering ruler, so that's been really nice, and you'll hear how strong the magnets are. So why did we want this new guy here? For card makers, obviously it's a perfect size. If you're traveling, it's a perfect size. You can put it in your car, that's a perfect size. If you are an art journaler, or maybe work on altered books, planners, Bible journaling, this is really nice because the magnets will hold through the pages, and you could put a stencil here if you wanted to, and that would hold it in place. But the thing that I think is really cool about doing it this way is that you have a solid stamping surface. So if you try to stamp on these pages and maybe you've had some tip-ins or some die cuts added in here, and the pages are going to be very bulky and uneven, now I have a solid stamping surface, so I know when I stamp on here, my image is going to be perfect every time. So I think that's really a cool feature and another way to use this cutie pie. Thank you so much for stopping. I hope you like my new baby.